Hello, I'm Game Chef 777. Today, we're going to be playing Slime Rancher Plortable Edition for the Nintendo Switch. This weird message at the bottom is it's from one of the people you can trade with. It's like a tower of slimes in a trench coat. And he only asks for chickens. Like he gives you I'm pretty sure food and stuff like that, and like money and stuff, but you can only give him chicken or chickens or hens and roosters. So in the last episode, we got 4 boom slimes and 1 rad plort, and today I want to focus on getting some pink boom largos and pink rad largos in order to get just a more diverse farm or ranch. Because like boom and rad plorts are worth a lot. What are you doing out of the coop? Why are there plorts in here? Oh right, there have been a few times that slimes have gotten in here. Okay. Any old people in here? Any old chickens? No, okay. So before we can get more slimes, here, let me sleep real quick. Before we can get more slimes, we need to get the next area. And I think I'm gonna go with the cheapest one for now. So let's see, the other one's like 1,700. This one's 1,700. I think they're all 1,700. So I will get the one that's like an open field that you'll see later in the video. It's like an open field, but like there's a bunch of hens that go in it. There's that like wander around in there. So hopefully I can get it, and then I can grow some raise some new largo slimes. Okay. So I have the key berry. Oh, wait. There. Okay. I like this. There we go. I like this enclosure because it's not too crowded. I don't want to get this one too crowded because if they get out, they won't eat, or I guess they will actually eat the hens and chickens. But these guys can actually, they can't survive in the daytime. I have a special upgrade on the enclosure that makes it so that they won't evaporate. But if they're out in direct sunlight, then they will evaporate, and we don't want that. Because their plorts are generally worth a lot. I mean, right now they're worth 17 because the price went down. But other than that, like, usually they're pretty good. So once we get the next area, I'll be able to get a silo, which allows you to store plorts and food. So it'll just provide more storage for food for all of the slimes. Oh right, I need to go sell the pink plorts and get rid of these pogo fruit. That's another reason why I need to get a silo. Is we're wasting a lot of food because my slimes can't eat as much as I'm giving them. And now that I think about it, as I'm feeding these rock slimes, I want to see if I can remake that glitch that I made. I think it was the third episode where I found out a glitch that like indefinitely propels you backwards. But I had to throw the glitched rock slime out of the off the island into the water, because no matter what I did, whenever I grabbed him, he would propel me, and I almost actually fell off the island trying to get rid of him. So I want to see if we can possibly find or remake that glitch. Oh yeah, and I forgot to see if that was like a known glitch. I don't think it was, because I've never heard of it. Okay, more food for the slimes. Too much food for the slimes. I just need 200 more, or roughly 200 more coins or dollars or whatever the currency is in order to get my next area. So let's see if this was enough. Almost. Pretty sure I need 1,795. So stinking close. This should be enough to get me over the... Wait. Trick shot. Oh, missed it. Check. And... Trick shot now. There we go. Oh, get over here. I can't even hit or get it in there here. Okay, so the next area right here. So I'm gonna get a bit of extra food in case they're... I don't remember if they're inside. Back there. Oh, right. I forgot I had to buy it. Okay, yeah, so 1,795 purchase. So now we have this area. So it's full of hens, which I'm actually going to yoink because I can use these guys for food. And it has a bunch more. Oh, it has a bunch more enclosure sections and areas that I can put enclosures. So, I will use that to my advantage. So now that I have this area, I'm gonna get some more pink slimes, and I'm going to breed them with the boom slimes and the rad plort, so that I have some largos that they're both pretty deadly because they both can reduce you to ashes pretty quickly. So I need to be careful around them. Oh, right, I completely forgot that I need to get slimes. And I think I only need a few. Yeah, that should be good. Wait, wrong way. Okay, let's put the boom slimes right here. I don't have enough money. I'm just gonna shoot my slimes with food until they provide me with money. At some point, I really need to get one of the things that automatically collects plorts, because I hate jumping into the rock largo enclosure just to like die instantly. Oh gosh, I am actually dying. And if I lose all of my health, then I will lose everything. My boom slimes, my rad plorts, and my pink slimes. And I do not want to do that. Alright, so I think the first slime I'm going to do is going to be the rad slime, just because I only have one plort for him. What do you eat? Everything, right? Okay, so I need to get a bunch of money, get the cover for it so he doesn't escape, and then I need to put more slimes in there. And food. I need food. So, plorts over here. You guys have plorts. Get him. Okay. I love that this like intake thing looks like a little face. So it looks like you're just like shoving food down his throat. Okay, I think I need a little bit more money to get the cover. Like these plorts right here. Why am I going this way? I am so tired today. And internet. I don't have enough. Okay. Let's just get high walls and leave it at that. Oh, so let's toss that guy in there. Feed you. Okay. So then he's gonna eat. He should eat. No, you should eat this. Eat it. Yes. Eat it. There we go. Toss another pink slime in there. Feed you. Ah. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat the carrot. Okay. 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 One of you eat the. I'm just gonna keep trying to feed them until one of them poops out a plort. Eat the carrot. Ow, ow, ow. Why won't you eat the carrot? Oh, I already fed them beforehand. I need you to exist with crystal poop. What the heck? Why was your mouse green? His mouse was just green for a moment. I do not know why. Oh, wow, I'd launched the carrot out. Eat, sir, please. Someone, eat. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna go get money for the air net, and then I will go back and try to feed them more. You guys already have plenty of food. Cat slime. I'm gonna sleep the night again. That should make the rad slimes hungry again, or at least it should. Hopefully, in theory, please. So I'm pretty sure it's 450 coins in order to get the cover. So there's the food, and I'm just gonna grab a bunch of tadpoles. I'm pretty sure they have more value than the big plorts. I hate how crowded these things get. Okay. Let's see if this is almost. Oh, rock plorts are currently worth the most. So let's just use those to get up to the last amount. Get out of the way. Ow. 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 Oh, 30 HP. Okay, this should be enough. Yes, that is enough. So I'm going to go get the cover and then feed them and put some more slimes in there. Oh, perfect. One of them somehow already ate. Eat that plort. Eat it. Do it. Come on. You know you want to. Yeah. Woo. Yes. Alright. You eat and you eat. So is it 3? I do that. 4. Doing calculations. Whatever. I'm just gonna toss 2 in there. Actually, let's do 3. Yeah, there. And then it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so the boom enclosure will have 1 more than the rad enclosure. That should be fine. What do you guys eat? You guys eat meat. Okay. There. Pink plort should get them started, and then I need to go fast and get enough money to get the tall walls and the cover thing. Hairnet. Okay. This should hopefully be enough to get at least the tall walls. I'll get the cover first, maybe? Well, because if I get the cover, it does run out of durability over time, and you'll have to recharge. So, ow! I just get the high walls there, and then food, eat it, just eat it. Yes, eat. Feast, my children. There. That should be enough. Yeah, he is boom. Okay. So that should be enough to get them all started. Now my question is, with these guys, they're like mostly pink. They're a little bit red. But in this guy over here, he's like completely red. It's just like a giant boom slime. Which is weird. Because, oh well, now he's a little bit pink. There we go. Oh, they just get red right before they explode. I was a bit confused there. And you guys have all become largos, so I'm not worried about you guys. Now that I've got those guys at least started, I'm going to start working towards an upgrade for my vac pack. So I think I'm gonna get the air drive because it makes my jetpack stronger, but it also uses less energy. So I'm gonna work towards that, and that needs 500 coins. So let's just quickly get that, and then I'll be set for like movement wise. And now I have my my hot bar less fun. So ow, no, you get back in there. You should not be out. So now I should be able to get that upgrade, hopefully. No, I need more, okay. Oh wow. Rad plorts are 49. I'm gonna quickly go get some rad plorts because those guys are worth a lot. I have come to feed you, and you shall give me your valuable guts. Ow. That was close. You get back in there. Get back here. Okay. That should be enough rad plorts. still need more. Alright, let's grab some here. And let's get that backpack. Where did the food go? Oh. I am very tired. I completely forgot that pogo fruits are what I got. Eat, my children. Eat. Come on, I know you want to eat. Ooh, more plates. Yes, plates. Oh, and you guys exist too. I forget about you. Let's grab that. Feed one of you. Get that. And another. I really hope none of them explode. Please don't explode. I'm running away because I don't want to explode. And this should, if I'm not mistaken, this should be enough, yes, to get the boosted backpack. And bam, air drive. So now, it uses less energy and it's much more powerful. So, but I think this is going to wrap up this episode. So let's get these guys fed, and these guys fed, and oh, they already have food at the tree, so let's put some more food in there. Get the food that's in here. Are there any more on the tree? No, okay. Let's feed these guys. And that'll be all for today. So, I hope you enjoy these videos. I don't have the most advanced gaming setup, so I hope you guys, or the few of you that are watching, like what I've been doing so far. And goodbye. Have a nice day.